All right, what's going on? Quick trade recap. Took a loss today for minus 3,900. I don't know if that's like my third loss. I haven't even journaled it yet. Like I went straight into it. So this would be my second loss of the month now. So I'm basically about break even on the week. So coming into today, I really didn't know what our fucking bias was, to be honest with you. And I wanted to wait until 9:45 news. And right at 9:45, we got the most A plus setup ever. So what happened at 9:45? If we go over to 9:45, why can I not? Okay. So right at 9:45, we come down and we tap and respect this hourly gap on ES beautifully. Great reaction as you can see. And what do? We obviously leave the 9:45 data high. I forget what news it was, but whatever. Right? Now I'm bullish because we're respecting the hourly gap on NQ. We're respecting the hourly gap on ES. We have an SMT, as you can see, because we took out this low over here on ES. So I was super fucking bullish. I was like, all right, bet. Looks like we're gonna. Fuck, I literally have not pressed the right thing once. So we have the external SMT. We have this beautiful reaction. We have data highs above. And as you can see, we moon. And I wanted this 30-second inversion, right? This is the close. What happens next, candle? Moons, takes out our break even, and then our final target was up here. So we get fucked. We get fucked off no entry, even though it was a beautiful read because there was no close, of course. So then what happens on the 4-hour? Well, then at 10 a.m., we close above and we inverse the 4-hour, right? So because we inverse the 4-hour, I was immediately like, all right, we're bullish as hell. There's this unfilled for value gap right here. Let's see here. So what happens? We touch this 3-minute on ES right here. So we touch this 3-minute on ES, and now at this point I'm looking for continuation longs. I'm flipped bullish, and I want to get this unfilled 4-hour gap above. So what happens? We flip bullish. We get this internal SMT. Where is it? Or did we not? Oh yeah, it was with this because we never hit the 3-minute gap on NQ. So we have an internal SMT, and we get a 1-minute and a 2-minute inversion. I think we entered a little early on the 30-second up here. Yeah, so we enter right here, putting our stop below this low and going 1-to-1 a little inside of this 4-hour for value gap. There's the inverse. Beautiful play. Internal SMT, 3-minute respect. On ES, 30-second inverse. Break even at this high. What happens? We edge the high by, let's see how much. Okay, so we edge the high by 4 points and then just obliterate us. So no SMT or anything. So really, really unfortunate loss because I was so bullish off this move and we just got fucked on this entry. Like literally fucked on this entry. And then we tried the continuation. It's a good play, 3-minute respect, internal SMT, draw being the unfilled 4-hour, following our bias. This is an A plus setup. I'm not mad at all about it. I'm really honestly more mad about the not getting the setup right here. I did take another break even, but it was basically the same concept. Very annoyed about this part. Not mad about this really at all. Didn't lose that much. Break even on the week. Still up 25 grand on the month now, I guess. So let's see. What was it? Minus, was it 3,900 and then 1L, 1 break even. So yeah, down almost 1,000. There's the proof once again. I show everything. Another thing to take into account is when I took my first trade, the break even trade, which I have a picture of right here. Hold up. I took this break-even trade, which was also fucking brutal. Same idea, same concept, everything, going for that unfilled 4-hour. I got in here, and then my trade syncer, I forgot to roll over the contracts like an idiot, so then I had to like change, delete, and re-enter like here. Such a shitty entry. And then I was so confident, because this was 10 a.m. open, I was so confident 10 a.m. would just flush us now that we were inversing that 4-hour. But it didn't. So now, I don't know what's going on now. Now we're just fucking bleeding. I really don't understand today, to be honest. I thought today's price action was really shit. So I'm not mad about it. Really annoyed about the missed long opportunity at the beginning, but the continuation trade, just a pretty standard A-rated continuation. My bias was just off, I guess. But it happens. Break even on the week. Very good L. I'm not mad about it. I am going to go hit the gym and chill. All right. Catch you, boys.